Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SRH Creation. Here I am Sarmin Huda from Alia University. Today I will discuss about IS code. Now, what is IS code in civil engineering? IS stands for Indian Standard. Every country has their own code book, just like that India has IS code book for RCC steel structure. It contains some data on which a civil engineer designed the structure. It includes some predefined formula and data. Now we will move to list of IS code in civil engineering. For cement, IS 269 2015 specification for 33, 43, 53 grade ordinary Portland cement. IS 8041 1990 specification for rapid hardening Portland cement. IS 1489 Part 1 and 2 1991 specification for Portland Pozzolana cement. IS 4031 1988 methods of physical test for hydraulic cement. IS 4032 1985 method of chemical analysis of hydraulic cement. IS 3535 1986 method of sampling for hydraulic cement. IS 650 1991 standard stand testing of cement. IS 8112 2013 specification for 43 grade OPC. IS 12269 1987 specification for 53 grade OPC. For coarse and fine aggregate, IS 383 2016 specification for coarse and fine aggregate. IS 2386 Part 1 1963 methods of test for aggregate for concrete particle size and shape. IS 2386 Part 2 1963 methods of test for aggregate for concrete estimation of deleterious materials and organic impurities. IS 2386 Part 3 1963 methods of test for aggregate for specific gravity, density, voids absorption and bulking. IS 2386 Part 4 1963 methods of test for aggregate for mechanical properties. IS 2386 Part 5 1963 methods of test for aggregate soundness. IS 2386 Part 6 method of test for aggregate measuring mortar making properties of fine aggregate. IS 2386 Part 7 1963 methods of test for aggregate for alkali aggregate reactivity. IS 2386 Part 8 1963 methods of test for aggregate for petrographic examination. For bricks, IS 5454 1978 method of sampling of clay building bricks. IS 3495 Parts 1 to 4 1976 method of test for burnt clay building bricks. IS 1077 1992 common burnt clay bricks. For masonry mortar, IS 2116 1980 specification for sand for masonry mortars. IS 2250 1981 code of practice for preparation and use of masonry mortar. Cement concrete. IAS 383-1970 specification for coarse and fine aggregate. IS 516-1959 specification for compressive strength, flexural strength. IS 456-2000 Code of Practices for Plain and Reinforced Concrete, etc. IS 1199-1956 Methods of Sampling and Analysis of Concrete. IS 10262-1982 Recommended Guidelines for Concrete Mix Design. Curing Compound. ASTM-C 156-809 Standard Test Method for Water Retention and Daylight Reflection Test on Concrete. ASTM-C 8769 Standard Method of Test for Effect of Organic Materials in Fine Aggregate on Strength of Mortar. ASTM-C 309-89 Standard Specification for Liquid Membranes Forming Compound. PVC Water Stops. IS 12200-1987 Code of Practice for Provision of Water Stops. IS 8543-19 Procedure for Testing Parts. ASTM-D 638-1999 Standard Test Method for Tensile Properties of Plastics. ASTM-D 412-1992 Standard Test Methods for Thermoplastic Elastomers Tension. HYSD bars. HYSD stands for High Yielding Strength Deformed Bars. IS 1786-1985 Specification for HYSD bars. IS 432 Part 2 1966 Specification for mild steel and medium tensile steel bars. IS 5121 1972 Method for tensile testing of steel wires. IS 1566-1982 Hard-drawn steel wire for concrete reinforcement. IS 1608-1972 Method for tensile testing of steel procedure. IS 25202-1963 Code of Practice for Bending and Fixing of Bars for Concrete Reinforcement. Precast RCC Pipes. IS 458-1988 Specification for Precast Concrete Pipes. IS 3597-1985 Methods of Tests for Concrete Pipes for Soil. IS 2720 Part 1 1983 Preparation of Dry Sample Soil. IS 2720 Part 3 1980 Section 1 Determination of Water Content or Moisture Content. IS 2720 Part 2 1980 Section 2 Determination of Specific Gravity of Fine Grained Soil. IS 2720 Part 3 Section 2 1980 Determination of Specific Gravity of Fine, Medium and Coarse Grained Soil. IS 2720 Part 4 1985 Grain Size Analyzing. IS 2720 Part 5 Determination of liquid and plastic limit, IS 2720 Part 6, 1987. Determination of shrinkage factors, IS 2720 Part 7, 1980. Determination of water content dry density relation using light compaction, IS 2720 Part 8, 1983. Determination of water content dry density relation using heavy compaction, IS 2720 Part 9, 1971. Determination of water content dry density relation using constant soil method, IS 2720 Part 10, 1991. Determination of unconfined compressive strength, IS 2720 Part 11, 1971. Determination of shear strength parameter without measurement of pore pressure parameters, IS 2720 Part 12, 1981. Determination of shear strength parameters, IS 2720 Part 13, 1986. Direct shear test, IS 2720 Part 14, 1983. Determination of density index of cohesion soil, IS 2720 Part 15, 1986. Determination of consolidation properties, IS 2720 Part 17, 1986. Determination of permeability, IS 2720 Part 18, 28, 1947. Determination of dry density of soil in place by sand replacement method, IS 2720 Part 29, 1975. Determination of dry density of soil in place by the core cutter, IS 2720 Part 30, 1980. Laboratory vane shear test, IS 2720 Part 33, 1971. Determination of the density in place by the ring and water, IS 2720 Part 11, 1977. Determination of free soil index of soil, IS 2720 Part 12, 1978. Measurement of soiling pressure of soil, IS 1489, 1970. Classification and identification of soil for general engineering purposes. Thank you for watching my video.